Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editing online for free. And in this video, I will show you how to redact your PDF file in online or for free, safe and secure. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your browser. I'm using Chrome browser. Then come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type in I love PDF and hit enter, and it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. I love PDF. Click on it, and it's going to take you to the official web page of this particular great PDF tools right here. So what you need to do is scroll down right here and make sure you click on Redact PDF. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Select PDF File. Then go ahead and select the PDF file you want to use in this category right here. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular PDF file right here. Select on the file and then go ahead and hit on Open. I will load up the document right here. As you can see, this particular PDF. Let's say for instance, I want to redact this particular image from this PDF right here. So what we want to do right here is to go ahead and come to the top right here. We go ahead and click on Redact. Then we have to make sure we highlight. So once we click on Redact, then we have to make sure we click on Redact page. Then this selected page right here, what we want to do is to come to Add Mark. So right here, we want to make sure we adjust the mark right here. So click on it and drag and adjust the mark. Then put it in the position. So we have successfully redact this particular page right here. So we can adjust as much as possible right here. Now we have to redact this particular page right here, that particular image. So let's say for instance, we still have to want to redact this particular image or so in this PDF. What we want to do next is to go ahead and click on Redact right here. So once we click on Redact, go ahead and click on Redact page, and it's going to take us right here. We come down below right here, we click on Add Mark. So we have to make sure we adjust scale right here. Go ahead and adjust. Depends on the area you want to redact. Once you're satisfied, then you go just like so. We have redacted it, so you can see the mark right here, just like so. We can use our arrow key right here, and just make sure you adjust the area that you want to cover up properly. Key from the top right here, and from the bottom right here, and I'm cool with that. So we can also redact some text right here. So like for instance, this college biology right here, we want to redact this. Go ahead and make sure you click on Redact right here. When you click on Redact, then go ahead and click on this particular highlight on the biology boy right here. It has been successfully redacted. We can as well redact as many as possible different text from the right here. So we want to redact this. That's this. You can go on and highlight as many as possible. Once you are highlight, you are getting the results from the sidebar right here. So you have some of the preview right here, some of the area that has been redacted right here. So you can see it right here. It's that simple. And go ahead and redact this part. So once you are done with everything, you will see the details about your redaction. So redacted area. You can see redacted area. Once you are done, go ahead and click on Redact right here. Then thanks, this task has been proceeded successfully. Go ahead and click on Download File right here. Then go ahead and click on Download. So after a successful download, you have the PDF right here. So we can go ahead and open the PDF. So just like so, you can see every area that we have redacted has been effected in the PDF right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to edit your PDF online for free, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.